Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove or delete a local user account on Windows 11 PC using user accounts dialog. For this, you can use two commands. I will provide the both commands in this video description also. So let me start. First, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open the run dialog box. Here you can use control user passwords 2 or net pl wiz command. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. Both commands will open user accounts dialog. Select the account you want to remove from your Windows 11 PC and then click on this one remove button. To confirm, click yes, click OK to exit.